Good morning, it's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. It looks like we're going to have some sun today. We've had about 3 days of mostly rain showers, so I'll show you what it looks like. Very, very pretty. Some of the girls are checking out what's in the compost bin. And a lot are having their morning drink. Some are just wandering around. Some are enjoying a little garden produce. Well, it's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. I want to pray blessings on you and yours, in your house, out of your house, in the day and the night, whatever you do, keep dreaming.